Yes, live.
It's okay.
Live.
Good morning, very early morning to one and all you esteemed visitors, virtual visitors, I would say, of the Nehru Science Center. It's a honor and privilege for each one of us, me and my colleagues, Mr. Umesh Kumar here, Saket there, Pudiwar there, Sandale, and there are two other people also who are, the most important people who work from the back, from behind the scene. All of us are here posited on the terrace of the Nehru Science Center. We are maintaining that required social distance or the physical distance. I'm sure each one of you are very eagerly waiting to see the Jupiter and its moon. Let me first tell you about what the quarantine is. And we are all self-quarantined, I would put it this way. It's not something very new. Almost about 400 years back, to be precise, 1665 is the period when Isaac Newton, I'm sure you all must have heard, that was a time of plague. We didn't have the microscope. People were not knowing about the bacteria, the virus, and things like that. That was when, again, the plague had ravaged the city of London. So Newton had no way but to, to go back to his fields and then, get quarantined in his home there. But what did he do? Quarantined we are all. All of us are quarantined in our own respective homes. But he ensured that he used this time for the passion, for the love that he had for science. So he resorted to his pursuit of love for science, and the rest is history. All of us know that the Newton's Principia, everyone is aware of the Newton's gravitational laws. So that's where he was able to find the gravitation, the concept of gravitation. So here we are having a telescope here, and we are now positioned at Jupiter, and we can now see 3 moons of the Jupiter. Very soon we're going to hand over, shift to the telescope now. Thank you again. You will be able to see 3 moons as of now. The 4th one, which is Io, is going to be seen very soon. It's going to take some time. The Jupiter is one of the most important planets. The 3 moons that you're seeing are all, in fact, all the moons, about 60 plus moons, they're all named by his concubines, the king of Rome's concubines. Now, what you can see is 3 of them. I think my colleague will immediately shift on to his the telescope now. I think you are able to see the moons now.
Question पढ़ना पड़ेगा.
Okay. My God. Somebody has to see. I think you're able to see the largest moon. You are able to see the Ganymede. The size of this satellite or the moon of Jupiter is so large that incidentally it is bigger than the nearest planet to the solar system, which is Mercury. I think you were able to see that now. One thing I would like to tell you that we will not be able to answer all your questions because we're sitting on the terrace where we are unable to read very closely on the mobile that we have. We will try and ensure that subsequently we will be able to answer all your queries.
फ्रेम रेट
तुम बहुत आगे ले लिया
वो बाहर चला गया.
रखे एक सेकंड. अब बात करते रहिए, क्वेश्चन जवाब अगर जो भी सर आप बोल रहे हैं उसमें बहुत लेट आता है. आप ये देखना पड़ेगा. ये सर ऐसा काम करिए, एक क्वेश्चन आप यहाँ से लीजिए, सर को इसमें से लेने दीजिए.
स्क्रीन नीचे है.
हाँ, आप इसमें से आंसर.
बहुत डिले.
Done.
Yeah, now I think all three are visible on the screen. of all of you are able to see. On the background you can see lot of noise also, but that we have to compromise as we need to capture these moons as well. देखने में दिक्कत हो एक्चुअली बहुत नीचे नीचे बैठना पड़ता है.
It's most interesting that we were all under the impression that it's 3 o'clock in the early morning here in Mumbai, so we expected about 2,000, but already about 3.4 of 4,000, 3,400 people are already logged on. I'm sure you'll be able to see the Jupiter's moons and enjoy that. The farthest one is the largest of the moon. Jupiter has got about 70 moons. The significance of Jupiter is that the concept of geocentric and heliocentric, it was conclusively proved by Galileo when he focused his telescope in the year 1610 towards Jupiter, and he was able to look at all the 4 moons. Right now, I know you're able to see only 3 moons, primarily because one of the moon has gone behind the planet Jupiter. The Io moon of the Jupiter is going to come in. I'm sure we'll be able to show you that as well by the time we
around
go
4
close,
o'clock.
around 3:30 or 3:45 or so.
Maybe post Saturn session.
So what we'll do is we'll post the Saturn session. I think we'll show you the 4th moon as well.
Dallas, USA. Good morning.
It's most interesting that we were all under the impression that it was conclusive. ये बहुत डिले रहता है ना.
आपका वॉइस बंद करिएगा नहीं तो वो लूप सर बोलते जाइए नाम बोलते
दिखता नहीं. Can't see. You can't see.
टेलीस्कोप का रेजोल्यूशन क्या है?
मतलब किस तरीके का
रेजोल्यूशन
मैग्नीफाइंग पावर तो अभी हमारा बिना आईपीएस का तो इस कैमरे के साथ ये 5 मेगापिक्सल का पिक्चर है.
I can't read it.
रेजोल्यूशन टेलीस्कोप का थोड़ी है, वो तो कैमरा का.
आईपीएस के साथ निकालते हैं ना मैग्नीफिकेशन 40 लगाते हैं तो इमेज कितना बड़ा बनेगा.
कुछ नहीं दिखता है.
तो नाम बोलते जाइए जरूरी नहीं है कुछ.
No, it is 2 times the size. That great red spot is about 2 times size of the Earth.
You will not be able to see the great red spot here.
Yeah.
Well, the significance of this great red spot is that if you really look at the hurricanes that we normally see in India, I mean in our planet here, see the velocity of the air, I mean during the hurricane time is about 200 kilometers, 300 kilometers. That is about almost 500 kilometers. That's the speed at which the hurricanes on the Jupiter. The whole thing is swirling around 700 kilometers per hour or something like that. So that's the reason what you see as the great red spot there. Unfortunately, we'll not be able to show you the features of the Jupiter.
एंगल इतना नीचे है ना. लाइट या तो इसका साकिब either we need to tilt it slightly more. So थोड़ा ऊंचा करने से अच्छा होता है.
पढ़ नहीं पाता है इतना छोटा इसको नहीं कर सकते. इसमें हमारा ये नहीं कर सकते.
नहीं इसको ये कर सकते क्या थोड़ा सा.
सर टिल्ट करेंगे तो उसको ऊपर लेना पड़ेगा.
ऊपर ये बाहर चला जा रहा है.
सर आप बात करते रहिए कुछ भी एटलीस्ट वो क्या होगा नहीं तो
एक दो कोस.
लेकिन अभी डिस्कनेक्ट नहीं कर सकते.
मेरे को एक्चुअली गर्दन इतना झुकाना पड़ रहा है उसको पढ़ने के लिए ना.
तो आप नीचे बैठ जाइए सर मैं देता हूँ.
वो दे दिया तो नीचे बैठ के ही ज़्यादा हो सकता है.
आंसर देने के लिए नीचे बैठिए.
दैट बी स्लाइटली कम. अगर दिखेगा तो यहाँ पे पढ़ने में नहीं होगा.
आप लेके आए क्या सर वाईफाई इंटरनेट ना.
हाँ वो कनेक्टेड.
हाँ लेकिन दिक्कत ये है कि उसको फंसाना पड़ेगा.
थैंक यू आशीष जी.
नहीं कर पाएंगे ना
इतना लोड नहीं लेगा.
डायरेक्टली सब दूर से
एडजस्ट द स्क्रीन मैक्सिमाइज लैपटॉप स्क्रीन.
आपको सर बाहर आके नेहरू
No, actually we are capturing from the laptop screen.
नेहरू साइंस सेंटर
and because of this size screen of the size, it will not be possible.
हम क्या
तो they want it full screen कर
नहीं सर, फुल स्क्रीन ही है। बोलिए कि 5 मेगापिक्सल पूरे हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं इसमें। अगर फुल स्क्रीन करने जाएंगे,
Jupiter's largest moon is
Ganymede.
bigger, Ganymede, and bigger than maybe 2 of the planets in the solar system. Jupiter's moon name we have already told. I think Io, Ganymede, Callisto, Europa, and out of that Io is on back side of that, so you cannot be as we have announced. We'll show it maybe later on when it will appear. Good morning, Mayuri ji. Thank you.
लॉगिन करना पड़ेगा नारे साइंस के नाम से। तो लेकिन ये लाइव चल रहा है ना सर?
Good morning, everyone.
अच्छा।
Yes, 70, more than 70. Right now they say somewhere it is say 79 moons already. This number keeps on changing as more and more are discovered.
वो पेज ही जैसा आएगा आपका।
No, it is easy. You can locate maybe if you can see in the sky towards the eastern side, you can very well locate Jupiter.
सर ये लूजिंग मून क्या ना ऊपर चला गया, ये इसको सेट करते रहो, उसको देख के।
Yeah, Jupiter is bigger than Earth. You can say in radius, diameter wise, you can put at least 11 Earth side by side, or volume wise, you can say almost 1300 Earth can be accommodated in the Jupiter. Thank you. If you can see it very clearly, if the views are good, thanks for the appreciation. Yeah, we tried with reducing the gain, but we are not able to get those bands, that much resolution of this camera perhaps. We already have done that experimentation with the exposure, gain, and whatever best is available, we are trying. Because if we play with this, sometime we will lose the moon. We can improve the quality of Jupiter, but then all satellite, they will perhaps disappear from the screen. Thank you, Solanki ji. Thank you, Ashish ji. If you are seeing a very bright planet towards western sky, then it should be Venus. And now Jupiter is available, Saturn will also be available. Jupiter is also quite bright, but that comes after midnight. At least another a month or so, it will be almost midnight or just about that time. Now Jupiter, yeah, you can see the big disk, that is the Jupiter, because we want to show the 3 moons also, which are not possible to see with naked eye on usual terms.
So you will not see there.
Thank you, Riddhi ji. If you can show.
Well, someone, Sandeep Arya is asking, can you show the telescope? Unfortunately, we have one, there's only one mobile, so you can focus on that. The same thing cannot be focused on the telescope. We will show you later on.
Maybe when we'll have the gap in between, towards the end of the program, we can show you the telescope also, because there will be another session on Jupiter after some break. So during that period, perhaps we can show.
Sushma, my kids are watching this live from US. So very happy to note this, Manika Jaiswal ji. I mean, the questions are running so fast that we are unable to answer each one of them. Now somebody is asking, can you show us the rings? The rings, yes, of course, Jupiter also has got a rings, but we cannot see it with this telescope. But when we are going to show you the Saturn, we'll show you the rings.
Yeah, then Jupiter, other than Saturn, all other rings, I think it is difficult to show it from the Earth because they are very thin and in very particular position when they are going outside atmosphere through satellites. Only then they can see.
Sudha Kulkarni is yeah. The other one is Neeraj Tiwari, Amul Joshi, Samir Mahajan,
Amolji, you can see it on the
Sriram
eastern sky.
Shankar, Deepti Sawant Nikam, Ikashi Pamnani,
Vijaya.
Vijaya Maharana, Sunanya Kachru, Sanket Chaudhary. It would really be wonderful if appreciated, sir. If you, oh my God.
Yeah, we are showing the moon. If you are talking about the actual moon, that is not visible nowadays because just now we had new moon day. We have already shown. Maybe sometime next, whenever time will permit, we'll come back with the moon. Jupiter and moons. Yeah, correct. 3 moons you can see. The big disk is Jupiter. And 3 moons you can see they are in the almost same plane. One on left means one side of Jupiter, 2 on other side.
It's very interesting that Radhakrishnan ji from US has joined us. Somebody was. कुछ लोग ये प्रश्न पूछ रहे हैं कि हिंदी में बात करें तो आप अगर ये सबको हिंदी में भी बात करेंगे. अभी आप फिलहाल जो स्क्रीन में देख रहे हैं जुपिटर का प्लैनेट है, उसके साथ में जो तीन आप उसका मून देख पा रहे हैं.
उपग्रह हिंदी में बोले तो उपग्रह बोलते. 3 उपग्रह जिनके नाम अभी यूरोपा, गैनीमेड एंड कैलिस्टो. थैंक यू सुचित्रा जी.
एक और प्लीज़ हमारा फेसबुक आप लाइक कीजिए, फॉलो कीजिए. I think we are also going to launch the YouTube channel. I mean, it's already there. We will be launching it soon. So please do follow us.
Watching from Aurangabad. Thank you for joining us. In fact, we can see live. It is showing that we have about 3.8 K means 3,800 people watching live. It's a big number. Thanks for joining us at such an odd hour.
Nirav Shah is watching from New Zealand. You are on the southern sky. I mean, good. Deepthi Godala with 2 of your children. You're watching.
From Delhi, Pallavi Bhatia. Wow. From Oman. It's only Jupiter. Only Jupiter means, but it will come because the screen
only Jupiter. See, one thing you can even see it with the naked eye. It's very, very bright now. The best part of the seeing it with the telescope is you're able to see the 3 moons of the Jupiter.
New Jersey, Vivek. It's really good to see that people all over the world, in fact, they are joining. It's really an inspiration.
Rishabh Kataria says that his 3-year daughter is enjoying this. This is interesting.
London से रोहन जी. गर्ग साहब, थैंक यू. हम भी आपके शुक्रगुजार हैं कि आप इस समय हमारे साथ यहाँ जुड़े हुए हैं. दीपक गिरी जी, आपका भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
Somebody, Mamta ji asking, yes, Europa is the possibility of the water there, a huge possibility of the water. Yes, you're right.
या वो बोलते हैं कि यूरोप में
आदित्य अय्यर
इंटरेस्टिंग एक्सप्लोर.
बेटा है क्या अय्यर का? आदित्य अय्यर.
आदित्य तो हाँ अय्यर का बेटा. रश्मि जी फॉलोड. थैंक यू for following us. Keep it continuously following us. We'll come back with maybe more and more programs also, as more and more people will join us. Mishra ji from...
This one gentleman. Ashish Nargikar from Canada, watching from Toronto, Canada. Thanks for joining us.
Wow. Saraswat. Charudatta Pallivara is also watching. Prakash Shahu.
Shilpa Nayak, my name is Rita. His mother is, Rita's mother is also watching. That's great. Lot of
screen. ये कहाँ से आ गया सेट?
ठीक है सर, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
मयंक मोयानी जी, स्मिता जी, निसिम सिदौलीकर.
Yes, the session will be recorded and will be put on our Facebook after the, Vijay
this
Kumar.
session will be over, yeah.
I'm happy that my friend, my classmate Vijay Kumar Patil is watching from Bloomington, USA. Hi Vijay, how are you?
Thank you.
By the way, Vijay Kumar Patil was my Sainik school classmate in Bijapur from 1970 to 77.
300 children of a school. We are from Thane. Oh. Thanks for all your appreciation and joining us and encouraging us, rather, we should say. आप सभी जो इस समय
Firoz Bhajana, you're from with the family, sing with the family. Shilpa Menon watching from USA. Welcome, ma'am.
Yeah, these are not stars. On the backgrounds there are some noise, so they are not basically stars, but only 3 dots which you can see along with big disk. They are the Jupiter and the 3 satellites. Moons little, but that may not help you much because that's the maximum.
कर्सर निकालो उसका.
हाँ, ये आ गया।
हाँ, बस ठीक.
Somebody whether moon can come close, but that magnification will not be there.
सर आंसर करते रहिए सर। अर्ली मॉर्निंग।
Rajshri, where there's her mother is also watching. Thank you.
Apurva Naik is pursuing career in aeronautical engineering. I'm sure this will be of interest to you. Okay, Chanchal Thakur says that 300 children are watching. We are honored, ma'am. I mean, from the school.
पुणे सर।
Pune. Okay.
Wow. Okay, means in a hostel or something?
I'm seeing this.
उनके स्कूल से लिंक भेजा, उन्होंने लिखा था कमेंट्स में कि हम बच्चों को
Okay, telling more about the facts of Jupiter is that, Jupiter ideally, if it had been about 80 times denser, far bigger, perhaps it would have on its own become sun, one
star,
sun of its star of its own. But then it so happened that it is the first one which came out from our solar system, and the largest, of course, in the largest planet in the solar system, in our solar system.
And it also consists of the material other than sun, maybe
Primarily,
twice.
it consists of hydrogen and helium, and just like the way with fusion, our sun produces energy. This too has got huge amount of energy there inside, but it is gaseous, unlike the planet Earth.
And that white clouds on the that's about ammonia or
It's very
traces.
Traces of ammonia, sulfur.
And the one interesting fact, sir, that great red spot.
Yeah, I mean,
That's going on for the way Galileo saw it. It is still continuing with the same maybe speed. Slight change maybe there in the size, but it is continuing with the same size, almost double of the Earth.
I'm sure what you could also, I mean, my colleague Umesh was talking about the red spot. What you could do is subsequent to this live show, you can actually Google and see what does he mean by that, the great red spot. It's actually the size of almost two of our Earths there. Such a vast one.
Actually, one more important thing is that Jupiter, it rotates very, very fast. And it is very, very big also. So, as usual, it happens when something rotates. Maybe it is oblate in size. Maybe on poles a bit squeezed, and on equator much higher. You can say. And that is another reason it doesn't have any.
Yes, Shivani Rane. We are watching from New Zealand. Shivani Rane is watching from New Zealand. We can give more information about Jupiter. People are asking, you can give more information about Jupiter. What we are doing is in between, we are giving you bits and bits of information on Jupiter. But the problem is there are so many people asking questions, and I mean, we're trying to see as many, trying to at least announce the names of those people who are logging on, which is again extremely difficult. Considering the fact that you almost about 5,000 people are already logged on. You
know. One thing is coming from this, there are many families watch, means parents along with their children, 10 years, 5 years.
It's really...
Yeah, correct. It doesn't have any solid surface, but they say it's maybe at the very
see, even in the core also, it's in the liquid state. Again, in the core, you'd have basically hydrogen and helium. It doesn't have any solid surface, even in the core.
But it has very, very high magnetic field.
Someone who had logged in from New Zealand, you're able to see this borealis from your skies. So because of the magnetic field, very huge magnetic field that Aurora Borealis New Zealand people can see, that is primarily because of the magnetic field of the Earth. The magnetic field of Jupiter is pretty high. Yes, Jupiter can accommodate about 1,300 Earths, not just 1,000. What you mentioned, you mentioned 1,000. It can accommodate about 1,300. Yes, the furthest one is the Ganymede, which is the largest of the moons of Jupiter.
Even in the solar system, I believe.
Yeah, in the entire solar system, that is the largest one. It's very difficult.
देखने में इतना दूर से पढ़ना तो इसमें बैकग्राउंड वाइट है ना तो पढ़ने में Swazji, yeah, very good morning and welcome to this show.
Somebody is asking, is our families there? No, when we are trying to maintain that social distance, only the officials of the Nehru Science Center are here. No families are here.
The
gravitational force of Jupiter in comparison with Earth is about 2.4 times. Yeah. You know, if you are weighing 100 kg here, you will weigh about 240 kg there.
The gravitational pull of Jupiter, obviously, it will hold all its moon together. It is because of that they are rotating and.
So there is one other advantage of the huge gravitational pull of Jupiter. You know, you have the asteroid belt there. Incidentally, it can also it saves us from those asteroid belt hitting, striking the meteors and other things striking at rapid pace on Earth. That's the power of the gravitation of Jupiter.
In fact, it is. They also say that asteroid belt would have been perhaps a planet, another planet,
Had
if
Jupiter
you go by Bode's law, had not been in Jupiter's large gravity, which has tore apart, and now it is seen as an asteroid belt with so many pieces.
Somebody is asking, can you show the three moons you can see? The farthest is the largest of the moon. The closest one is Europa. Possibly, you have a lot of traces of water there. In between is the Callista. So all these three moons you can see on your screen.
The one which is not visible, that
Iowa,
is also
It's,
unique. And
so if you
perhaps
really
the
see
most
the volcano,
active volcanic activities with.
if somebody asks, can it attract other planets in its vicinities? Well, there are only 8 planets. There are no planets in the vicinity of the Jupiter. Perhaps if it was one, it would have crashed onto the Jupiter itself. That is the power of
asteroid belt is, and if anything comes within its gravity, we have seen there's some what do you call
Shoemaker-Levy was one comet which tried to pass through.
They call
you just crashed onto the
Jupiter
Jupiter
family comet, which comes under its gravity.
See, somebody is asking, is it true that some asteroid will come and strike the Earth on 29th or something like that? The asteroid belt has millions of such small debris or pieces. But in order to come to Earth and strike it, the possibility is very, very remote. The Earth's atmosphere is strong. It has to cross through that and come in, and it's very rare. And by the time it comes and strikes, it does. There are a couple of instances, but the impact will be not much. So let's not worry about Earth being destroyed.
Yeah, there are some near-Earth objects which come nearby, but possibility of striking. And now we have perhaps so many ammunition, you can say, nuclear weapons and all that, which can counter that. There was recently some news was there about
29th.
near-Earth object. Question.
Which one is Jupiter? I think the largest one, obviously, the largest disk, what you see, is the Jupiter.
No, no diamond rain. In fact, inside that, the helium that itself is in liquid form because of the high pressure. So that normally they call it sometime as diamond rain.
Yes, Mihir Achar, is Jupiter the fastest revolving planet? Yes, of course, on its own axis it rotates pretty fast.
Yeah,
that's why I think my colleague actually told you about, because it rotates so fast that, in 10 hours, the Earth hours is 1 day. That's the reason, if you really look at the poles and the equator, it bulges at the equator and at the poles, it flattens out.
And
it's basically...
that fast rotation is also one of the reasons that red spot is going on for 300 years. Because nothing can slow it. Because as already told, because of the absence of solid core inside that.
Some surface temperature of the...
Surface temperature, on surface it is quite
it's
minus.
Gaseous, and so it will be about minus 140,
minus 170 or something. But inside, as you go, there may be slightly increase in temperature.
In the core is from UK, Virup Mishra from UK. Mishra ji, welcome from UK.
It has helium, hydrogen, most of them.
80% is about hydrogen, helium is about almost 20%. There are trace elements of sulfur and other things.
Thank you, Dev Soniji, for the appreciation. Yes, Jupiter has ring. We have already discussed this, but they cannot be seen here as like you can see it for Saturn, which we will be showing you from 4 onwards, 4 a.m. onwards. Okay, what are the names? इसमें पढ़ने में ये तो
What? Yes, somebody is asking about Europa. Yes, it has got a huge amount of water vapor. Absolutely right. Please do understand that we are not in a position to read all your questions. Kindly bear with us for this.
But we assure you we will respond them or maybe offline, and you can see our comments later on. We'll try to answer as much as possible.
Again, somebody from Guwak Wariacha from Canada. Welcome, sir.
Yeah, rotation it is different in different bands. That's why you see maybe at equator it is slightly different, and on poles is slightly different.
One thing what I can say is, its world is united. We have live audience from Canada, from New Zealand, from UK, from Doha, all over the world.
Yeah. And that's really great to see that. In fact, internet, as is normally said, that we have reduced it to global village. So that's a classical example.
Andaman. We have Ranjana Gletcher from Andaman. Welcome.
Dark matter is, we are not here, but something which you cannot see. The whole universe has a lot of dark matter which we have not yet seen. There are many questions. What makes universe to move further, or from where this energy is coming? So maybe later on we'll have a session on that with some more experts. From Jalna, Shahil Nayak ji.
Welcome, Rudra Goani ji. Anil Tanwani. Welcome.
Earth and Jupiter, even it's almost 5 times more than distance between Earth and Sun and Jupiter.
Again, we have someone from Dubai, Sneha Joshi.
Thank you.
Dharamveer Gupta ji, of course there are books also, but what you could do is you can just log on to the NASA site, with a huge amount of information available on all the solar system. Lots of good images, satellite images taken from various missions which have gone there. Yes, you can, Balakrishna Navleji, you can see with the naked eye and very, very bright object in the eastern sky.
Thank you, Karanji, for the appreciation. I think in India, almost everybody can see if they are not under cloud. It's nicely visible, and particularly, in fact, the sky view is quite good. In Mumbai, we have never seen this Great Bear in such a good condition. Today, we have seen all 7 stars together and nicely visible with naked eye, which is very, very rare. So maybe that's the boon in disguise from the lockdown, that you have so many things to see in sky. No, Jupiter is in eastern direction, sir, not in west. Western, we have told it was in the evening sky. If you see, then it is Venus.
Yes. Mukta Mehta, more dense and pressurized. Yes, I mean the more deeper you go into the core of the Jupiter, the higher the pressure will be. That's where the new fusion takes place. You know, the energy in the core of the sun.
Yeah, these
Huge pressure.
red and green dots, they are noise which we are when we are capturing from the camera using a CCD camera. So they are not any star. Please don't get confused with that.
Yes, Saket.
इसमें दो ही क्वेश्चन दिखता है एक बार.
तुम्हारा इसको लॉग आउट करके व्हाट इज पासवर्ड है तुम्हारा?
आप एक अकाउंट
ये देखो ना तुम्हारा कोई फोन किसी का है तो, क्योंकि इस पे पढ़ने में नहीं आ रहा.
अकाउंट से है। ये तो आप ही ना
तुम्हारा नाम दोनों आई कैन सी द लाइव क्वेश्चंस.
Nidhi Gaiji, good morning. You are science teacher. Welcome to the show. No, India has a very good. You can ask for from ISRO sites. A lot of information will be available, and they do have public programs where you can ask for information. Eastern, yes, Hemaji, in Eastern Sky, if you can see, and there will be two close by. You can say with Jupiter, there will be another object also, Saturn. If you want to see with naked eye, you can see them. Thank you, Lataji. Not always true, but because there's some noise are from the camera itself. Jupiter will be visible almost for several months from now. If monsoon clouds are not there, you can always see in the evening sky post midnight right now, and maybe next month it will be somewhere around 11 o'clock or 10:30 to 11 p.m. Two bright stars. In which direction, Preeti ji, you are selling? If it is eastern, then they are not stars; they are planets. But there are many bright stars right now in the sky. Great Bear, now it is we should say northwest, must be going down.
Now we'll have the latest questions.
In which direction you want us to move the camera, because camera is capturing. I think it's within the screen. No, it is okay. It's just touching wheel, correct. Saket, one of the images is, yeah, we can just slightly bring it down. That's going half. Yes, yes, we'll adjust the camera. The image it will come back. Yeah, I hope it's okay now. Yeah, it will correct, yes. So Saturn will be showing from 4 a.m. onwards, because the in between we cannot shift it. What is moving? Because yeah, everything is moving, because Earth is moving, rotating, so it will move in the space. That itself is also revolving and rotating. One way you can say that there are many objects which are moving around, and when they pass by Jupiter, Jupiter's large gravity, as we have told, it can capture that, and many objects are not coming towards Earth. One of the important aspect of the gravity is sending satellites, and sometime it can be used
Live, you know?
because we cannot have a very heavy rocket, you can say, which can directly go out of the solar system. That's where it plays a very crucial role, and its gravity can be used to increase the speed and then going beyond the solar system. Yes, better, Modi ji, thank you. No, it is, you just check it. I think there is some noise, but we In order to capture the moon, we have इसमें पेज में थोड़ा बाहर जा रहा है।
ये इसके कैमरे से कर किया ना, आएगा आएगा आएगा।
That many people, the one image is going out.
We tried ना।
इसमें तो कहीं
ये हिल गया होगा, आप हाथ लग रहा है ना।
No, it's closed. ठीक आ गया।
Yes, whole universe is in motion. Correct. You can see, Priyanka ji, just see in the eastern sky, it is near Jupiter itself, slightly below that. No man-made satellite. In fact, they have fly past Voyager 1, Voyager 2. It is very difficult to go to such a large distance and crossing asteroid belt and going to Jupiter. But yes, Voyager 1, Voyager 2,
बहुत ज़्यादा है।
and maybe more also.
Almost.
In fact, Galileo Galilei, with his name also, one probe was sent. Moons in total, now they say it's about 79 moons with Jupiter as of now. Bangalore is cloudy, so it's really unfortunate, but you can see live.
350 तक ले लीजिए आप, फिर डिस्कनेक्ट करके।
Okay, I think what we'll do is we'll be online for another 3-4 minutes. After that, we'll go offline because we will shift our focus to Saturn so that you are in a position to see the rings of the Saturn. So maybe about 10-15 minutes, 10 minutes you will be.
4 a.m.
4 a.m. we'll again be back live. Thank you again. Thank you all for watching this live show. For 10 to 15 minutes we'll be offline. Again, we'll come back online at 4 o'clock. Thank you.
And we are sure we will answer as many as questions possible offline. You stay in touch with us. This video will be available offline.
Yes.
And then we'll comment and try to answer all the questions as soon as possible. Stay at home. Be safe. Thanks.
And see you in another 15 minutes, 10 minutes, जो भी है, at 4 a.m.